The security establishment is on its toes after threats were made to Air India flights in Delhi and Kolkata. Intelligence agencies have issued an alert for Air India's Delhi-Kabul flight. This was after a threat phone call was received by Air India office in Kolkata last evening. An Air India spokesperson said the call was received by its officials at around 5:40 p.m. and a complaint was lodged in the Bowbazar police station. The call threatened Air India flight to Kabul would be hijacked. The call was brief and was in Bengali. Security at all major airports across the country has been heightened following the threat. Air India has also increased the number of air marshals on board all Kabul-bound flights.
Security has been beefed up at the Kolkata airport, the Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose International Terminal. Now, this is after a call was received in the Indian Airlines office in Kolkata. Kolkata police has alerted the Bidhan Nagar police, after which there is added security at the airport. Everyone is being frisked not only at the main gate but also inside. Also, there are security personnel who were deployed around across the departure as well as the arrival of the airport. Now, this also includes that number of people have been added and the intelligence securities have been set into action. We told that even CISF vigilance has been set into action. CISF is the new nodal agency in charge of providing security at the airport. Now, with that, we also have Bidhan Nagar police, which is in charge of the Salt Lake and this section of the airport for security. This also includes that almost everyone is being frisked not only at the airport in the regular way, but also there are added gunmen at the airport. Remember, given the fact that there is 26 January celebration and with the President Obama coming to India, this is a very, very crucial call, and that's the reason why the police are not leaving even a single stone unturned as far as the security at the airport, in the flights and in the city are concerned. With camera person Chitrabhanu Pathak, this is Manogya Loiwal in Kolkata for Headlines Today.